Hello everyone, this video is about location of electron transport chain. Electron transport chains are located in the inner mitochondrial membrane. When you see the structure of mitochondria, it has four important parts, that is, it has membranes, cristae, intermembrane space and matrix. Coming to the membranes, mitochondria has two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane is a simple structure which contains special pores. Because of these, it is permeable to small molecules and ions. Coming to inner membrane, it is impermeable to most small molecules, ions, including protons, ATP, ADP, pyruvate, etc., and also sodium and potassium. Therefore, specific transporters are required to move protons or ions or molecules across the inner mitochondrial membrane. Coming to cristae, the inner membrane is rich in proteins. 75% of the membrane weight, inner membrane weight, is because of these proteins. It contains a number of protein components such as enzymes, transport proteins, several sets of electron transport chains and ATP synthesizing system, that is ATP synthase. A large surface area is required to accommodate all these components. For this purpose, the inner membrane is highly folded to form cristae. The surface area of the inner membrane, that is inner mitochondrial membrane, is increased due to these cristae. Now coming to intermembrane space. Space between outer mitochondrial membrane and inner mitochondrial membrane is called as the intermembrane space. So this space contains enzymes like adenylyl kinase and creatine kinase. And this is the region where the protons are accumulated during the electron transfer in the electron transport chain. Coming to matrix, the gel-like solution in the interior of the mitochondria is called as the mitochondrial matrix. Matrix is rich in proteins. 50% it contains proteins. These molecules include enzymes which are responsible for the oxidation of pyruvate, amino acids, fatty acids, and the enzymes of TCA cycle. Matrix also contains NAD and FAD. These are the oxidized forms of coenzymes which are required as hydrogen acceptors. And it also contains ADP and inorganic phosphate which are used to produce ATP.